Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change prompt volume for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. You have to start by open EDIFIER CONNECTS app, and of course you need to add these headphones to the application. After that you need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the fourth line we have prompt volume. Tap at this line and now we can change it. So if you want to increase the volume, you need to move this slider to the right, or you can tap the right side. So 15 is maximum. You will also hear all time when you change it, you will hear a tone prompt from your headphones. And to lower it, you need to just move the slider to the left or tap at the left side. If you want to totally mute, you need to set it to 0. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!